Well, here it is.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby County, southeastern Jefferson County.
It's me!
Until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Holy crap.
At 1:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Vestavia Hills, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Wow.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Homewood, Pelham, Mountain Brook, Irondale, Leeds, Chelsea, Indian Springs Village, 5 Point South, Oak Mountain State Park, Vanderveer, Barber Motorsports Park, Bluff Park, University of Alabama at Birmingham campus. Stanford University, Inverness, and Highland Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Jefferson, and Shelby.
Wow.
The current time is...
There it is. I'm under it.
Thunderstorm will impact portions of northwestern Perry, northeastern Hale, and southwestern Mid County.
Did not expect to see that happen.
At 12 p.m.